Are you looking for the best 3D printers under $350? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers under $350 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Kingroon KLP1 3D Printer. Kingroon KLP1 is a fast print speed Corksy 3D printer with Clipper firmware and a protective enclosure. With Clipper firmware features, Kingroon KLP1 let people print at high speed and with great quality. Kingroon KLP1 has a powerful main board with Clipper firmware installed. No Raspberry Pi is required. High quality print with less waiting time. Kingroon KLP1 has 500mm per second high speed printing and 10,000mm/s² acceleration. The built-in Excel 345 module ensures you high quality print under fast print speed with active vibration compensation. Kingroon KLP1 is a Corksy 3D printer with linear guides on the X-axis and Y-axis, which makes the printer accurate, fast, and durable during fast movement. Gear ratio, all metal, 9,500 rings, 5,015 bearing fan, CHC hot end, smart microprocessors. The new extruder means powerful extrusion and better cooling system. Featuring an all-metal hot end with a ceramic heating core, the KLP1 enables a wider range of material options, including conventional materials like PLA, ABS, PETC, TPU, and wood, but also high-temperature materials like nylon and CF. With the internet connection, any screen can be your printer screen. You can control Kingroon KLP1 anyhow, anytime and anywhere. Number 2. Soval SV07 Plus 3D Printer. Clipper firmware allows SV07 Plus to speed up to 500mm per second at maximum. SV07 Plus is equipped with 480 by 800 high-resolution 5-inch touch screen, which brings you totally different experience from knob screen and normal 4.3-inch touch screen in the market. Clipper also offers a range of function options, including the height map and input shaper, while you could DIY based on your specific needs. All metal hot end comes with a larger melt zone, which offers high flow up to 20 to 30 cubic millimeters/s that greatly reduces the possibility of clogging. An extra large fan at the rear of the extruder offers triple airflows to quickly cool prints and ensures good layering for better results. It makes the high speed and high temperature possible at the same time. No more PTFE replacements or firmware flashes needed to print with different materials easily, like ABS. Nylon equipped with 600 watts mean well power supply. Number 3. Creality K1 3D Printer. The Creality K1 3D printer is built for speed, reaching up to 600mm per second and 20,000mm/s² acceleration, reaching 200C in just 40 seconds. That's 12 times faster than regular FDM 3D printers. Perfect for professionals and beginners. Achieve perfect prints effortlessly with one-tap auto leveling and dual cooling systems. The Creality K1's innovative design, including a large drum fan and simulated wind tunnel, ensures accurate leveling. An 18-watt turbo fan allows unsupported printing of complex structures. The G-sensor and die-cast frame parts of the Creality K1 eliminate ringing, ensuring steady printing. Corksy structure, along with an auxiliary cooling fan, adds stability and vibration resistance even at high speeds. Z-axis control reduces layer lines for smoother 0.1mm detailed prints. Creality K1 can print via USB drive or Wi-Fi. Creality K1 can be controlled or monitored remotely from Creality Print or Creality Cloud app/web, also allowed when many K1 printers are online. Once the printing is complete or abnormal, a notice will be sent to your phone or PC. No more close watch. Number 4. Soval SV04 IDEX 3D Printer. SV04 equips with dual metal Titan extruders which are more capable to produce high-quality prints across a vast range of material, such like PLA, ABS, PETC, TPU, PC, PA, wood, AZA, and PVA. 300 by 300 by 400 build volume makes SVO4 the best large format independent dual extruder direct drive 3D printer in the market. Please download the latest firmware, and flash it before your printing to avoid error occurs. Auto leveling sensor on SVO4 will make adjustments to ensure the bed and nozzle are at an optimum distance throughout the printing, which improves bed adhesion and print quality. Screen operating with an responsive and sensitive touch button, all the modes are clear and easy to use. Creality V5.2.1 32-bit TMC 2209 silent board, up to 7 additional drivers, more functions, more stable, super silent. Flexible magnetic build plate ensures your print get a good grip to it, to help prevent warping and failed prints. It allows you pop off the prints without any tool, just bend the plate and your print's removed. The filament detector will remind you to change the filament. No worries about long time printing anymore. The wheels on the holder help load the filament more smoothly. Dual Z-axis screws and stepper motors improve the accuracy and precision of nozzle's vertical movement with a specified Z-axis accuracy of 0.001 mm. Built-in 500 watts Chengliang power supply ensures stable and sufficient power. Fast heat up for the hotbed and nozzle. It protects SVO4 from unexpected power surges. Any questions or issues about the product, please feel free to contact us. We will try our best to help you resolve it. Number 5. FlashForge Creator Pro 2 3D Printer. FlashForge FDM FlashForge Creator Pro 2 Independent Dual Extruder 3D Printer DIY Kit Multicolor Printing with 2-spool PLA Filament 3D Printer. Choose from the brand of FlashForge for our product. The molding technology is FDM. The interface type is SD. The certification is . Our product is from CN origin. FlashForge Dual Extruder. The dual display printer has a FlashForge dual function that creates an ultra-thin and durable print. The order was received in Moscow in 12 days. About the courier DPD corresponds to the description. FlashForge 3D Printer Dual Extruder. Create the most beautiful print with a unique FlashForge printer that creates dual color reproductions. A FlashForge Creator has built-in extra stylish FlashForge Creator. No additional power supply required, that creates unique, high-quality images with rich, vibrant colors.